No. Hey, must be ready. Okay, so let's start. Okay, so today we will do Kedah paper. Okay, Kedah trial 2023. One of the hardest lah, antara yang paling susah for admits. Of course got harder ones, but we don't have time to discuss all the state, but we try the best. Okay, so second last class. Tomorrow will be the last class lah. So yeah. Both. We will discuss the hard questions. Yeah, easy one I don't want discuss lah. Easy one you can do. Only the hard one is the important one. Okay. So first, okay. So the format is like this lah. So 1 to 5. Any question that you find difficult that you want me to discuss. 1 sampai 5. 3B. Okay, let's look at 3B first. Okay, 3B. Okay, basically soalan ni, if you see this symbol guys, what must we do over here? Kalau nampak simbol ni, what is the action we must do over here? Apa kita kena buat? When you see F prime, F prime means what? Yes, you differentiate. Very good. Okay, kamu bezakan the function lah. Okay, so guys, what rule are we using here? Petua apa kita guna kat sini for the pembezaan, differentiation? What is the rule? Product, quotient, which one kita guna? Hasil darab, hasil bahagi?
Quotient.
What rule? Yeah, correct, quotient. Okay, you let y equal to u over v. Okay, of course you can use product, it's not wrong. Kamu boleh guna petua hasil darab, but you follow the question. If divide, you use quotient. Okay, it's much easier. So u is x, v is 3x minus 2 power 5. So then, kamu buat pembezaan terhadap u and v. So du dx is 1, dv dx is equal to 5 3x minus 2 power 4. Okay guys, boleh tak saya henti kat sini pembezaan saya? Can I stop my differentiation process over here? No. What is missing?
No.
Again? Yes, the 3, correct. Okay, you make sure you differentiate the content as well. Okay, kamu kena bezakan kandungan. A lot of people miss this point because they fast do buat dengan pantas, they forget differentiate the content. So remember differentiate the content. Okay, so you can simplify dv dx dia sama dengan 15 3x minus 2 power 4. Okay, so now you try to recall rumus for quotient rule, petua hasil bahagi. Rumus dia macam ni. Okay, v du dx minus u dv dx over v square. Okay, so v kamu 3x minus 2 power 5. Du dx kamu 1 minus u is x. dv dx 15 3x minus 2 power 4. Okay, then divide with v square. 3x minus 2 power 5. This one the whole thing square guys. Seluruh nombor ni kuasa 2. Okay, seluruh kuasa 2. Okay, so now you must look back the question. Mereka nak dalam bentuk ni. They want your final answer something like this. Okay, so over here we never get yet. Okay, so we must factorize lah. Kita kena faktorkan lagi. Okay, so you will get 3x minus 2 power 5 minus 15x 3x minus 2 power 4. Okay, then divide with 3x minus 2 power 10. Okay, so now guys, based on the top one, berdasarkan pecahan kat atas, apa yang saya boleh faktorkan keluar kat sini? What can I factorize? Can you all type out the term? Apa ungkapan yang saya akan faktorkan untuk
3x
penyebut
minus 2.
pecahan? Ya, power? Power what?
Power 4.
Yes, power 4. Very good. Okay, because 4 is the highest lah, you can go paling tinggi. So if you factorize this, you will get 3x minus 2 minus 15x. Okay, this one become power 1 already lah. Okay, sorry, power 0. Because 4 divided by 4, 4 minus 4, you get 0. Okay, so nothing left. So then divide with 3x minus 2 power 10. So now power 4 habis, power 10 reduce to 6. 10 minus 6 you get, sorry, 10 minus 4 kamu dapat 6. So now you still left with negative 12x minus 2 bahagi 3x minus 2 power 6. So now kamu lihat balik, go back to your question. They want in this format. Okay, so still you can factorize. Masih boleh faktorkan. So based on the question, they factorize out negative 2. Am I right? So then you will have positive 6x plus 1. Okay, this is the format the question 1. Ini adalah format yang kamu kena bagi. So now, if you look back at the question, they ask you to find the value of A. Cari nilai A kamu. So guys, can you all tell me what is the A value here? Based on the answer I get? Yeah, 6. Okay, therefore you can say A equal to 6. Settle. Okay guys, can you all understand? For Haida, this is the question for 3B. Okay, cari nilai A. Which method? You mean product rule? Okay, means you use product rule. Do you get the answer? Because supposedly you can get the answer 1. But if you notice over here, right, Haida, can you see there is a fraction in your answer? Dia ada pecahan. Means I will suggest you to use the quotient rule. Okay, kamu guna petua hasil bahagi. Lebih senang. Okay, because petua hasil darab, the product rule, the formula don't have divide. Okay, there is no divide in the formula. Quotient rule, you got divide. Okay, over here. Can you see? There is a divide. Ada simbol bahagi. So you must look back what the question, how they want the answer. Macam mana soalan nak. Okay, if got divide, means you use quotient rule. Jangan guna product rule. Okay guys, so any more question you have? Number 1 to 5 that you want me to discuss, that you find difficult? 1 sampai 5. Any question?
5.
5 Okay. Tapi ada fraction, show the last part. This one. Tapi ada fraction guna product rule kan? Tak. Product rule tak ada fraction. Haida. Product rule dia satu garis sahaja. The equation is all in one straight line. Okay, fraction means is quotient rule. Okay, because quotient mean bahagi, divide. Okay. So people ask 5. Okay, this one interesting. Okay guys, first of all, when you see this, don't think the question simply put these dots for you. Jangan letak soalan, jangan kata soalan sahaja nak tipu kamu, letak extra 2 dot. What does the 2 dot mean? Yes, it mean repeated. Dia maksud berulang. Symbol mathematic means, dot means is repeated. XY, XY, XY macam tu. Oh, speaking of XY, siapa kena tweak dengan XY hari ni ya? XY, I like the question. XY, XY, XY Siapa X, siapa Y guys? Graf pertama X ke graf kedua X? Mana satu? Cuba fikir sekarang. See, the soalan itself want to trick you. You all make your own decision lah guys. See, when I tell XY simbol X dan Y pun dah sangat controversial sekarang kat dunia ni. Even X and Y, people want to make a fuss. Okay, oh my god, I don't know lah. Someone said the jawapan is in soalan C. God I don't know. Everyone say they don't know what is XY. Okay, XY to me means male lah, I think. Okay, XY is male, right? For bio. XX is female. Yeah. XY, XX, yeah. So yeah, got many meaning of XY. Mathematic XY different lah. Okay, so now focus back here. Forget physics. So your this thing is, where is it? 2.xy, xy, xy. So guys, how do we solve this kind of question? I don't know lah, you ask them. So they want you to find the value of P and Q. Nak cari nilai P and Q. So how guys? Very simple. You just let X equal to a number you like, Y equal to a number you like. Kamu boleh bagi apa-apa nombor. Because XY, XY is confusing for you. So you change the question to become in this pattern. So that is much easier. Okay, so guys, if you see like this, what is this number equal to? Nombor ni sama dengan apa? 2 plus 0.34 plus 0.0034 plus 0.00034. Can you see the pattern, guys? Adakah kamu boleh nampak pola dia? Can anyone tell me what is this? The one I bracket yang saya kurungkan tu. What is that actually? You all learn this. Let m equal to xy. Don't. More variable, more difficult. Jangan bagi lebih banyak pun boleh ubah. Dia lebih susah. We trying to eliminate the variable. Okay, Aida? Change to all number. So guys, this arrow here, what does this represent? Pola ni. Kalau kamu ingat, what is this pattern showing you? Anyone know? You all study this chapter. What janjang is this? I give you all clue already. Janjang apa ni semua guys? Yes, it's GP,
GP.
correct. Yeah. So can you see this is the common ratio times 1 over 100 nisbah sepunya. So guys, I want to ask you all, this I plus, right? Is it Sn or S infinity? Can anyone tell me? Adakah janjang ni untuk n term atau infinity? Which one? Yes, infinity. Because 2.xy, the xy, it continue to go on. Dia sambung saja sampai infinity. It never stop one. Tak ada had, no limit. So that's why you can use the S infinity formula here. So what is the formula? A kamu 0.34, 1 minus R. R is this one. 1 over 100. So now guys, if you look back at your question, kamu nampak soalan kamu sekarang. Can you see? You already near to the answer. Kamu dah dekat. Okay, further simplify your answer. Kamu boleh kira nilai ni. 1 minus 1 over 100. Okay, you will get equal to 2 plus 34. Let me count start over answer. You will get 34 over 99. Okay, ini adalah jawapan dia. Okay, this is the answer for this one. 34 over 99. So guys, if you refer back. Oh my god. Sorry scammer. What to do? Okay, so you will get 2 plus 0.34 over 99. Very nice guys. The sound. Bunyi tu sangat bagus kan? I can release. Oh, okay, wait.
Meow.
Wow, who get the link Sorry guys again. Don't know who get the link that one. Later she enter again, I block those. Wait for a while. Where is it? Okay. So now we continue Okay, sambung. So guys, if you look at this, xy is equal to 0.34. Am I right? So nilai Q guys, can you see now your Q value sama dengan 99. So
99.
therefore Q is equal to 99. Okay, what is your P value? P is 2. Settle. Okay guys, can you understand for 5A how to do? So this is the method.
Yes.
You must use S infinity formula, remember. Okay, so now part B. So guys, this one, AP or GP?
GP.
Yeah. Are you sure GP?
AP.
Yeah, AP, correct. Okay, what is the common difference guys? Apa nisbah apa
5.
beza sepunya? Not 5 negative 5 careful guys. Negative make sure it correct because decrease means must have negative. Okay, symbol is very important. So now okay, the question asks you, wow, he needs to get a flag on top of the pole at the height of 1060 cm. Okay, so 1 meter first you convert to cm, dia 100 cm. Okay, 1 meter equal to 100 cm. So they ask, did he succeed or not? Okay guys, so first of all, what you must find first over here? Apa kamu kena cari? What is it? SN or TN? Anyone know? For this question, kena guna SN atau TN? Are you sure?
SN.
That's why guys, you must be careful this one. SN or TN, you must be clear. Because the height he climb every 3 seconds is this one. Okay, setiap 3 saat ini adalah ketinggian dia. So means that it it decrease, sorry. 100 first second, 95 second, 90 cm third second. So the height of the pole, ketinggian palang tu, dia adalah hasil tambah semua sebutan ni. It is the sum of all these terms. That's why we are using Sn to compare with this value over here. Okay guys, can you get it? Very simple. If you try to use Tn, kalau kamu cuba guna Tn, will you be able to reach this answer guys? Yes or no? You try with Tn and
No.
see. Cannot, because your value is decreasing guys. Already 90. How can 90 suddenly go to 1060 cm? No logic. Tak ada logic kat sini. That's why cannot. You must use Sn. Tn is wrong. Okay, that's why Sn is correct. Okay, Tn your value will keep on decrease until 0 sampai kosong. It won't increase. Takkan menaik. Only Sn can make your value menaik because kamu tambah nilai. You're adding all the terms one by one. Okay guys, so you must logic a bit lah in progression. Okay, so now what is the goal over here? Sn must be greater than, lebih besar atau sama dengan 1060. Ini adalah ketinggian palang kamu. So you must capai dawan lah. We greater than or equal to. Kalau lebih kurang, salah lah. You cannot put less than. Okay, so now Sn we must use for arithmetic. Okay, Sn arithmetic because this is janjang arithmetic. So you will have, I write over here. So Sn greater than or equal to 1060. So n over 2, kita tak ada nilai n, tak apa. 2 times 100, a is 100, plus n minus 1, d. d is negative 5. Greater than, equal to 1060. I want to find the number of terms first. Saya nak cari bilangan sebutan dulu. Okay, you have to solve quadratic. So n over 2, 200 minus 5n, and then plus 5. Okay, greater than or equal to 1060. So now, after you do this, selepas ni, kamu simplify lagi, permudahkan persamaan ni, sorry, 205 minus 5n lebih besar atau sama dengan 1060. So now, you kembangkan 205n minus 5n square greater than or equal to 1060 times 2, 2120. Okay, so sekarang you rearrange it in the quadratic format. Okay, rumus quadratic minus 205n plus 2120 less than or equal to 0. Guys, do you all understand why I changed the symbol macam ni? Anyone can tell me?
No.
Don't know, So basically, I shift all the term kat sini. Okay, I pindah all to right hand side. So now, if you refer this symbol, it is less than or equal to 0. 0 is over here. So 0 is greater than or equal to 5n square minus 205n plus 2120. So now, kalau saya nak tulis macam ni, it will become less than or equal to 0. Can you see guys? You compare these two and see. Okay, that's why saya tukar symbol. But if you bring 2120 to the other side, then it will maintain like this lah. Kalau yang ni masuk ke sini, maksudnya the symbol maintain lah. But usually, right guys, we try to make sure our nilai for A is positive. Okay, coefficient of coefficient of x square perkali bagi x square kena positive. Okay, usually. If you bring to one to both ways so correct. Dua-dua pun akan bagi jawapan sama. No problem. Okay, anything is correct. There is no right and wrong here. As long you can get the correct n value lah, then it's correct. Okay, so no need to be too worried on that. Okay, this one is just technical only. So now, we will let pi n square minus 205n. Sorry, no, before this. We must simplify. Kita kena permudahkan. Okay, you divide by 5. Okay, so you will get n square minus 41n plus 424. Lebih kecil atau sama dengan kosong. So now it looks much simpler. So guys, now what will you do over here? Apa kamu akan buat kat sini? Can anyone tell me? What is the step now? Do I actually need to find my n value? Yes or no?
No.
Yeah, no need actually. So what do we do if we don't want to find n value? Very good. B square minus 4AC. Very good. Okay, so some of you will think, setengah akan fikir, mengapa guna B square minus 4AC? Okay, you look back at the question. They say, can he reach the height or not? Adakah dia boleh capai ketinggian tu ke tak? This height. So you try to think and see, guys. If you refer to the diagram, okay, this one. If you get b square minus 4ac less than 0, katakanlah b square minus 4ac less than 0. So guys, what is the meaning of this? Apa maksud yang ni? Dalam konteks soalan, what is the meaning of this? Can anyone tell? If I count and see b square minus 4ac less than 0. Anyone? What is the meaning behind it?
Is it the long quadratic formula?
No. We have to tell something. Yes, correct. There is no real roots. Okay, this is what you understand lah from b square minus 4ac. In other words, he tak sempat. Okay, in other words, he cannot reach 1060 cm. This is the meaning, guys, because there is no real roots. Okay, you kaitkan this one to this one. Okay, because b square minus 4ac represent the quadratic curve. So example, got x-axis, y-axis. So maybe it's something like this. Okay, there is no real roots. Means that he cannot reach the actual height that he want to reach. Dia tak boleh sampai ketinggian tu. Okay, and of course, if b square minus 4ac less than 0, what does it mean to this equation? Apa maksud dia? If you try to count and see lah over here, b square minus 4ac, kamu dapat apa? If you count and see, you will get negative 15. Okay, answer. So negative 15. So guys, will you have a value for n? Adakah kamu akan ada nombor bulat untuk n? Will you have a whole number for n? Your number of terms? Adakah kamu akan ada nombor bulat?
No.
Yes. Yeah, there is no n. So guys, if there's no n, how is it possible for him to reach a certain height? Macam mana dia boleh capai ketinggian tu? Kalau n tu bukan nombor bulat, n is not whole number. So this is the concept over here. Number of term must always be whole number. Dia tak boleh perpuluhan. Okay, bilangan sebutan is always whole number, never a decimal. So that's why, based on this, you can say that there is no real value for n. No real value. Tiada nilai nyata untuk n in BM lah. So, he cannot win lah the competition. Dia tak boleh menang pertandingan tu. Okay guys, can you all get it? So this is the concept over here. If equal to 0, yeah, then already capai lah because you have n value. Okay, you have one n value, which is your root lah, punca persamaan. If above 0 means lebih daripada 1060 meter lah. Okay guys, so can So any more question you have? 1 to 5? Can you tell me? 1 sampai 5? Any other question you want to discuss? If no more, we go 6 to 10 kalau tak ada.
No.
Okay, so 6 to 10. So guys, 6 to 10, can you comment which number you find difficult? 6 sampai 10. I think this one slightly difficult.
9.
9 and 10. Okay. Yeah, correct lah. This is the two most difficult. So prepare guys mentally for this one. Slowly. Okay guys. First of all, when you see this shape, I don't want you to think too much. Okay, jangan fikir terlebih banyak. I know a lot of you here dirty-minded, but please. Okay, if you know what I'm telling, you know what I mean lah. Okay, kalau kamu nampak bentuk ni, please, especially for the boy, don't think dirty. This is admats. Okay, if those understand, you understand lah. I won't want to go further. Okay, so we start with the question. Okay, so now ratio of plant radius to strawberry radius. Wow, still people don't know what I'm telling actually. Never mind. Okay, so grape plant radius to strawberry plant radius is 1:3. Okay, so guys, ini nisbah sangat penting. Okay, very important ratio. You will use it later lah. So now you see, angle sector MPN is 2/3 pi. So you need to edit the diagram. Okay, kamu kena edit. So basically, wait, let me draw nicely. This is how it will look like. Sector MPN and sector MQN. Can you see this, guys? Boleh nampak? You have two triangle over here. Okay, kamu ada dua segitiga. And now they tell you that MPN minor. So minor, guys. Is A minor or B minor? Mana satu? You need to know where
A.
to label. Yes, very good. A. Jangan silap, If silap means gone. So this one is 2/3 pi. So after you get this, major, sudut sector major, MQN, 5/3 pi. So guys, test again, A or B, 5/3 pi.
A. B, B, B.
Yeah, B, correct. Okay, major, so it's B. So this one is 5/3 pi. Okay, so far okay? So you analyze one by one only. Don't be scared with proving question. Jangan takut. You just analyze only. So now they say that the shaded area is for the walkway. Okay, and then they tell you S is the radius of the circle. Okay, one more information. S tu jejari bulatan. So this is S. Okay, with center P. So they referring to the first bulatan, the small one. Okay, yang kecil punya jejari dia S. So guys, if the small one is S, can you tell me, based on the ratio, the larger circle, what is the radius? Apa jejari untuk bulatan lebih besar? Berdasarkan nisbah. Anyone? The ratio is this one.
S square root 3.
Yes, very good. Correct. Okay, because 1 nisbah punca kuasa 3. So now your new radius is S. So S nisbah S square root 3. So mean that this one is S square root 3, the length, okay, of this one. Okay, so now you finish analyze already the whole thing. So now you read the question. They ask you to show this one, 5 marks. Okay, kamu kena buktikan. They give you an info, area of land is K. So now, what they want to find, guys, can you tell me? Mereka nak cari yang berlorek atau tak berlorek? If you read the question, do they want the shaded or unshaded?
The shaded.
Yes, you have to find the shaded region. So what is the concept? Seluruh tolak the unshaded. You take the whole area minus the kawasan tak berlorek. Then you can get the answer. So guys, if you see this kawasan tak berlorek, what does it consist of? Apa dia kandungi? Can you all tell me? What plus what? No. Deeper a bit. Lihat lebih mendalam. Based on what I draw. Beside two circles.
Sectors.
Yes, you got two sectors. Okay, this is one sector. This is another sector. What else? Yes, you got two more triangles. Can you see? This is the third triangle. This is the fourth triangle. So total, you have to add up 4 area. 4 luas. Okay, so K minus this total 4 area, you should be able to get this answer that they show you here. Okay, so slowly lah, we have to do one by one. Okay, so no other method. So now, first of all, you know the jejari here is S already. So guys, and you know the angle also already, 2/3 pi. So what's the formula, guys? Untuk kira luas segitiga, can you remind me? For triangle, this one is S, this one is S, this one is 2/3 pi. So what we use? Rumus
1 over
apa?
3 A, B, and C.
Yes, very good. So area is half S square This one careful lah guys. Can I do sine 2 over 3 pi? Boleh macam ni tak? Can or not? Is sine 2 over 3 pi correct? Yes, cannot. Remember, sine must always dengan darjah. Cannot be radian. Okay, unless kamu tukar calculator ke mode radian. If you change to radian mode, okay. Then you can press sine 2 over 3 pi. If not, can you tell me sine 2 over, 2 over 3 pi berapa darjah? How much? I want to see whether you can convert or not. How many degree? This one. Anyone? Berapa darjah? 2/3 pi.
Is it 0.0365?
Where got? Degree mode.
120.
Yeah, 120. Very good. Okay, 2 over 3 pi is 120. You times 180 divide by pi to convert from radian to degree. So you should get 120. So I direct replace this with 120 degree. Okay, I don't write 2 over 3 pi lah. I write 120 degree. So now guys, will you press sine 120 lah? You get this answer lah. Sine 120 berdasarkan calculator. And then you divide 2. Will you leave your answer like this? Adakah kamu akan tulis jawapan macam ni? Yes or no? If you try to see the question, they ask you to show this one. So will you leave your answer dalam perpuluhan? No. Okay, kamu kena maintain dalam bentuk cert. So guys, sine 120, what cert is it? Siapa boleh bagi tahu? Nilai yang ni, insert form. What is the answer?
Sir 3/2.
Yes, very good. Okay, this one, kalau kamu guna FX 570 MS, maybe you won't get the answer. Tapi calculator canggih-canggih tu boleh bagi jawapan terus. Okay, so you must know a bit lah. Okay, so how to know it? Basically, you must memorize the triangle. Kamu kena hafal segitiga. Okay, you must understand the triangle. So basically, very simple. You have this triangle, 90, 60, 30. Okay, this is one of the type of triangle. Satu jenis segitiga. Okay, so now basically you have to memorize the ratio. Kamu kena tahu nisbah dia. So the nisbah is 2, sert 3, and 1. Okay, this is the ratio of the triangle. So now sine 120. Guys, sine 120 sama dengan apa? Can anyone tell me? Same to which value in this triangle? Equal to sine? Sama dengan apa? 30 or 60 or 90? Yes, 60. Remember guys, 120 and 60, they are supplementary angle. Dalam sine, kuadran 1, kuadran 2, dia positif. So nilai dia sama. It's exactly the same value. So that's why, can you see? Sine is what? Opposite bahagi hypotenuse. Betul? So you refer to sine 60, opposite is sert 3. Hypotenuse 2. That's why I write sert 3 bahagi 2 over here. That is the reason. Okay, bukan sekadar menghafal tapi faham yang ini. This triangle. Okay, if you want to draw out in the exam to more easy, kamu boleh lukis kat tepi lah. You just draw at the side of the paper. This triangle. Then you can get the value of sine 120. Okay guys? So lepas yang ni, kamu faham? Boleh kira dah lah. Okay, nilai yang ni. So you should get sert 3 over 4 s square. Finally, for the first triangle. Okay, this question a bit long, so you all must patient a bit lah. Okay, so you will get A is sert 3 over 4 s square. Okay, first triangle done. So now you refer to the diagram back. So can anyone tell me this red angle yang saya label merah, apa nilai dia? Can you all count for me? If you understand the radian. How much is this angle? Kat luaran tu 5 over 3 pi. So anyone?
1
Eh,
over 3 pi.
Yes, correct. 1 over 3 pi. Tak boleh sama. What? Remember guys, one whole circle, satu bulatan is how many pi? Can you tell me? You look at the diagram.
2 pi.
Yes. Okay, one whole circle you have 2 pi radian. So now, kalau kamu nak cari yang kecil ni, you have to minus with 5 over 3 pi. Okay, that's why you will get 1 over 3 pi. Okay, 2 pi tolak 5 over 3 pi. So now you can count lah. Radius jejari segitiga sudah dapat. Okay, based on this ratio S sub 3. So now you can count and see. So now for, wow, so fast space finish. Never mind, I draw down here lah first. Okay, so for the second triangle, dia macam ni. So this one is 1 over 3 pi. This one is S sub 3. Kalau kamu nak tulis sub 3S pun boleh ah. It's the two same thing. So the area is half S sub 3 square. Okay guys, 1 over 3 pi. Can you tell me dalam darjah apa nilai dia? Yes, 60. Okay guys, sin 60, what's the value? Just now only I told. Apa nilai dia? Sin 60?
Sub 3 over 2.
Yes, sub 3 over 2, correct. Okay, 3s square, sub 3 over 2. So now you can count already lah, should be no problem. So you leave it dalam bentuk the most accurate answer lah. 3 sub 3s square over 4. Okay, so 2 area we found already. So we still got 2 more area, 2 lagi. Okay, this question 5 marks, that's why very long. Dia panjang. It's a proving question. So now, what you have to find is this area. Yang hitam ni saya lorek. What is this area? Sector. Setengah R kuasa 2 theta. Okay, we use this formula. So what is the theta, guys? Can you tell me? This one is, this one is 2 over 3 pi. So can you tell me the major angle, sudut major, kalau minor 2/3 pi, major dia berapa? Yes, 4 over 3 pi. Okay, this one, remember dalam rumus ni we use radian mode So tak perlu tukar ke darjah, don't change. Okay, maintain in radian. So now, for this sector, there is one more sector. So this sector area is half. The radius is S. Angle 4 over 3 pi. So kamu kira, you will get 2 over 3 pi s square. Okay, this is the answer for the first sector on the left. Kat sebelah kiri yang ni. Okay, still got one more. Satu lagi. It's very long. So now, how about this sector, guys? This sector you have to find also. Am I right? Yang hitam ni pula. Okay, so the radius is S sub 3. Sudut dia, the question already give you 5 over 3 pi over here. Can you see? MQN, 5 over 3 pi. So, kamu boleh kira juga sector area. Okay, so the sector area, satu lagi is half S sub 3 square. And also, tadi sudut dia berapa? 5 over 3 pi. Okay, so you count and see. Final answer you should get, let me count also. Sedikit kompleks yang ni. Over 6. 5 over 2. And then pi s square. Okay guys, until here, can you understand what I'm doing? Adakah kamu faham all these steps? Do you get it or not? There is 4 area you need to find. That's why saya kira separately. Kalau kamu tak mau kira berasingan, kamu combine one shot, satu baris. Tapi dia sangat panjang lah. Kamu lihat, kalau kamu nak tulis ini semua satu baris. Okay, it will be very long. Okay, so if you want, you do separately also can. So now, the final part, untuk kira area, we will take K. K is the whole area kan? Soalan dah bagi tahu. Minus semua nilai ni. Okay, minus this one. Sub 3 over 4 s square. You minus sub 3 over 4 s square. If you confuse, you put in bracket. Okay, to elak careless lah. So then the second area, 3 sub 3 over 4 s square. 3 sub 3 over 4 s square. and then 2 lagi area, these two. Okay, 2 over 3 pi and 5 over 2 pi s square. 2 over 3 pi, 5 over 2 pi s square. Okay, guys. So now you can simplify lah. So you will get k minus sert 3 s square. 3 sert 3 tambah sert 3 adalah 4 sert 3. 4 atas, 4 bawah, you cut. So that's why you left with sert 3 s square. Then you plus with 2 over 3 plus 5 over 2. Kamu akan dapat 19 over 6 pi s square. So guys, kalau kamu lihat balik soalan, have you proven it already? Belum lagi. Okay, the question is a bit different. Okay, so you must continue. You can factorize s square keluar. Am I right? So you will have k minus s square 19 over 6 pi plus sert 3. So now you look back at the question. Adakah kamu dah buktikan? Have you proven it? Yes. Settle. Okay guys, do you understand? Very long, right? Sangat panjang kan? But very mudah guys. It's very simple one. If you can edit the diagram. Kalau kamu pandai macam mana nak edit this diagram, you can do it. Okay, you see? Finally get the answer only. Dah dapat jawapan. What to do guys? This is AdMaths. Kamu kena faham. AdMaths will definitely be longer one. They will try to complicate the question to make it longer. Itu pattern dia. Okay, kamu kena faham. Okay, they won't change. It will always be like that. Especially for paper 1. Paper 1 suka sangat to make it complicated. Okay, so now this one even more complicated. Number 10. Okay, this one if you all got experience lah. Kalau kamu dah buat banyak soalan trial, you can answer one. Okay, trust me. So first question, show. Okay, the area is this one. Okay, what area? Surface area of water. Okay, luas permukaan air. Means basically they want you to show this area lah, I think, if not mistaken. Okay, so now we must edit the diagram. Kita kena edit wajah kita. So now they tell you that the radius is 10, height is h. Okay guys, so can I ask you, this red label over here, what is the length? Can you all tell me? The red color, yang merah, how much is it?
Maybe 10.
Yes, of course 10, because it's the radius. Okay, dia adalah jejari. So no matter what, dia akan sama. Okay, second step. What is this blue length? Apa panjang biru tu? Yes, it's also 10 because it's the radius, correct? Not bad. Okay, very good. This is the first two thing you must know. This one also 10. So now they tell you that this is h. So guys, what is the black one? Can you tell me? Apa nilai dia? 10 minus h. Very good. The black one is 10 minus h. So now guys, can you see something? Can you see a triangle form suddenly? Boleh nampak segitiga bersudut tegak terbentuk? What is this? This one is R. Okay, don't tell me this one is 10 now guys. Tak sama, you can see carefully. Okay, the bottom base of the triangle tapak segitiga to R, not 10. This one is 10. Okay, so now guys, what can we use to solve this? Apa kita boleh guna? What concept? We call back in a triangle. What can we do? Apa guys? What theorem? Yes, don't forget Mr. Pythagoras. Okay, Pythagoras theorem. Remember, kalau mereka nak keluar K-bar, if they want to come out with K-bar question in AdMaths, they will always relate to Pythagoras. This is one of the key part you all must know. Okay, Pythagoras suka sangat in K-bar question like this. Okay, this is actually differentiation. Kalau kamu tak perasan, this question, soalan ni pembezaan, but they relate to K-bar. And the K-bar is about Pythagoras. Okay, so you must form a triangle. Kamu kena bentuk segitiga. So after you bentuk, you can count already lah. Okay, so let me delete first. Okay, so you have 10 square equal to your Pythagoras 10 minus h square plus r square. Okay, so can you see guys? Based on the question they want you to prove lah. Berdasarkan apa yang nak dibuktikan, do you see a R here guys? In the one they want you to prove, do you see the letter R? No. So what you must do is, from this equation, kamu kena hapuskan yang ni. You must eliminate the R. Okay, because water guys, what is the formula to count the area of surface of water? Anyone know? What is the formula rumus kita guna for water surface? Water surface is circle. Area Tiran, area pi r square. Because the surface is bulatan. Okay, it's a circle. So pi r square. So basically this r yang kita ungkapkan, we're going to substitute inside here. Okay, this is the concept. So now you expand first. 100 equal to 100 minus 20h plus h square plus r square. Kamu kembangkan kurungan. So now 100 potong. So you will get r square equal to 20h minus h square. Am I right? So what's the area guys? Area equal to pi r square. R square is 20h minus h square. Terbukti, proven. Can you see guys how easy is maths? Mudah kan? Am I right? You just do something like this, jawapan keluar. That's why I say maths is easy, not difficult one. I just do like that, dapat jawapan. Without any sweat also. Tak ada apa-apa perlu pun. So that's why I say your concept very important one. If you try a lot of question, very simple. Okay, sure. This is the max I can zoom. Cannot go some more. Okay, so if you can do A, B should be no problem lah for y'all. A is the harder one. Down. Down is nothing already. This one is the previous question. The top one. Okay, so we go to part B for this question. Part B is about approximation. So this one. So now suddenly they tell you that, where is this question? Wait, okay, they tell you that there is an error. Dia ada masalah sikit in the height. 2% error. So guys, can you all tell me what is the formula? Apa rumus untuk kira peratusan error tu? What is the formula? Anyone? Percentage error equal to what? Can anyone tell? For the height, this one we're talking about the h. So what is the formula here? That one is delta, not sigma. Sigma is this guys. Sigma punya symbol is this one, is delta. Okay, so delta h, then bahagi h times 100%. Okay, this is the formula you must use for to count the percentage error. Okay, means how much the value change lah, berapa banyak nilai itu berubah dalam peratusan. That is what they are telling. So it's the small change in h, perubahan kecil h, bahagi nilai asal h, your original, times 100%. Just like how you count your marks lah guys, dalam peperiksaan. Cuba ingat balik how you count your exam marks. Let's say your paper is over 90%, but you must convert to 100%. Let's say you get 85 over 90. So you must take 85 over 90 times 100%. Am I right? Untuk dapat markah kamu. So this is the exact same concept over here. Like how you count your exam mark. Okay? So yeah, you can apply this one. So after this, you look back the question, they say 2%. So you substitute 2%. So 2% equal to, over here, you must find your delta H. Okay, delta H tak diberi pada kamu if you look at the question. Okay, so now, your H, you maintain H, then times 100%. Okay, so guys, 2% divide 100%, you will get 0.02. Okay, you can press calculator, tekan calculator, equal to delta H over H. So basically, delta H is equal to 0.02H. This is one info you get. But now, lihat soalan, they ask small changes in surface area. So what's the symbol? Delta A. Kita nak delta A equals to what? So guys, what is the formula we're using here? Can you all think? We got delta H is 0.02H. We want to find delta A. So what else we need? Apa lagi? Anyone? What is the formula? Come on, come on. NMATS Pros. Yes. What about the A? Not complete yet. Guys, always remember, look back at your previous question. Always refer back to previous question in NMATS. Kamu dah buktikan yang ni. You proven this one. So from this equation, what can you do over here, guys? Apa kamu boleh buat dari persamaan kat A? You can, no, don't expand. You can differentiate. Yes, dA over dH sama dengan delta A bahagi delta H. Can you all see this, guys? This is the formula. You want to get delta A, you have delta H. You also can find dA over dH. Okay, they want in terms of pi. So kamu tinggal simbol pi. Okay, don't do anything to the pi. Just leave it. Okay, so how you differentiate this? Can anyone tell the answer? Selepas bezakan yang ni, dapat apa? Train your differentiation a bit. What will you get after differentiate? Come on guys, fast. Pembezaan macam ni kena cepat. No time in NMATS. So what you get after you differentiate this? Got silap a bit, careful. Yes, 2 pi h, correct. Okay, so 20 pi minus 2 pi h. So you can write over here. So 20 pi minus 2 pi h equal to delta A over delta H. Delta H 0.02H. Okay, so now you can leave your answer in terms of H lah. Kamu boleh tinggalkan jawapan dalam sebutan H because we don't have the H. Okay, so you direct times only lah. 0.02 times 20, you get 0.4 pi H minus 0.04 pi H square. Okay guys, if you want to leave in fraction also can. 0.4 kamu tekan, you get 2 over 5. Okay, you can leave it as 2 over 5 also can. Okay guys, are you clear with this question? How to do it? Boleh buat? This one total 6 marks in the exam. 6 marks. So can you all get it? Can So kita go on. So any more question? 6 to 10 yang nak kamu bincang? 6 to 10, any more? Kalau tak, we go 11 to 15. So no more guys. Okay, so 11 to 15 please. Any question that you find difficult? 13B. Okay, 13B. Oh, nasib baik. Wah, dah datang dah soalan ni, 12. I just wanted to say, nasib baik orang tak kata soalan 12. Okay, dah ada. Okay guys, so get ready for one more long session lah. Okay, this one careful. Okay, hati-hati. This one a bit hard. Okay, slightly only. Slightly, don't worry. Very simple only. Okay guys, they say that arrange. First question, P or C? This one must correct first. Yes, arrange is P, susunan. Pilih atau. So now, 2 tier. Okay, dua, what to say? 2 rack lah. Okay, so now they say, top tier less than bottom tier. So kamu kena bagi tahu case dia lah. You must come out with the case. So bottom, top. They say bottom must less than top. So guys, total you got 6 vase, 6 jenis. So guys, what is the first case? How many B, how many T? Yeah, very simple lah. 2, 4, 1, 5. Can I say 0 guys? Boleh tak saya kata 0, 6? Why? Why cannot? Mengapa tak boleh? Yes, 2 tier, very good. If you have 0 at the bottom, maksudnya tak wujud. Okay, tier yang kedua. This one non-existent. Okay, kalau tak ada apa-apa kat bawah. Okay, so you must have at least one at the bottom, minimum. Okay, so there is only two case. So guys, total 6 vase. For this one, you will get 6P2. Okay, 6 pasu, pilih 2 dulu. So then guys, can I put 6P4? Adakah ni betul? Can I use 6P4? Cannot, because you choose 2 vase tadi. Kamu dah pilih 2. So, remainder 4P4. 4. 6 minus 2, you get 4. So, 4P4. Or, if you want to write 4 factorial, also can. 4 factorial. Nilai dia sama. No, we're doing for A. This one is A, guys. This one is for part A, the first one. Over here. Okay, not for C yet. Okay, number of vase top tier less than bottom tier. Okay, so next one, for this second situation, 6P1 times with 5P5. Okay, so now, lepas ini, let me see. Okay, so is this the only arrangement, guys? Adakah ini susunan sahaja yang kita ada? Can anyone tell? Is this the only scenario? Yes or no? Is that all? Okay, what some more we have? Can anyone tell? Guys, actually this is the only scenario lah. Tak ada lagi. We already answered the question. Total is, total answer you get if you count is 1440. That's it. Okay, tak ada lagi. Because they only want bottom less than top. So guys, antara dua nilai ni, simbol tambah atau darab? You plus or times in the middle? Yes, plus. Because two different case. Dua situasi berbeza. So you plus. Okay, in the middle here you times lah, of course. Okay, antara situasi sama. Okay, so this is for part A. Okay lah, for 3 marks, quite good. Okay, skema ada C ke? No need lah, C is more confusing. Because for me lah, arrange, right? Arrange should always be P, not C. Okay, kalau susunan dia pasti P, bukan simbol C. Choose is C. Okay, choose. Susun is P. So 1440. Okay, so now for part B, this one a bit more complex. Bottom tier. Okay, so now they add on 3 more vases. Okay, yeah, but that one is all. Doesn't mean you must write that. Method saya one enough already. Satu kaedah cukup. You don't need to know the C one. Okay, don't confuse yourself. To me, the C also like shouldn't have lah, because when they say susunan should be symbol P, not C. Okay, maybe shortcut lah, but this one is quite short already lah for me. Okay, and it's easy to understand. So now you got 1 and 2. So total now, Ori you have 6. So now guys, what is your total vases now? Berapa jumlah pasu sekarang untuk soalan B ni? Yeah, 6 plus 3 now. So you have 9. So they want that this one next to each other. Okay, so how many of these you have? You have 2. Okay, Volkswagen. I don't know what's the name lah. Okay, so this one already tambah to 2. And this one, what is the name? Begonia. Begonia already tambah to 3. Okay, so this is our new total now. So now you must arrange all of this. So how? So basically, you write like this first: P, B, R, R, and then M. This one I use symbol G, guys, because if not, you'll repeat. I use G. Begonia, I use G, and then D. Okay, we have to arrange all of this. So now, guys, first thing you all must know. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Is there 9 in total, guys? I need to arrange. Adakah dia 9? Is it actually 9? How many? Berapa? Anyone know? No, not 6. This one, 8. Yes, 8 is the answer. This one we consider one set. Okay, satu set. That's why it's 9 minus 1, 8. Mengapa? Whenever they say, right, next to each other, bila nampak perkataan ni bersebelahan, kita consider satu set. Means 2 object, you count 1. Okay, 3 object, you also count 1. 4 object, you count 1 also. Because next to each other, one set. Okay, dia tak boleh pergi lain kedudukan. Okay, they must be together. Like husband and wife. Husband and wife always must together. Tak boleh pisah. Okay, this is the concept lah over here if you want to understand. Okay, so now, what is the total way? Total way will be 8 factorial. Is it that's all? Adakah hanya 8 factorial? No. This one identical, Tiwan. So if identical, right? If you times 2 factorial, kalau kamu dapat 2 factorial, you have to divide 2 factorial also because identical object. Okay, times 2, divide 2, no effect. Okay, kamu nak tukar kedudukan, you times 2, I understand. Okay, but then they are identical, their object sama, so you must divide 2. So this one, totally is 1. Okay, so you no need to write this one, tak perlu tulis. So is it only 8 factorial? Or got some more we must do? Do you all see this? Nampak yang ni? So you should actually do 8 factorial divide 3 factorial. Based on answer scheme is only 8 factorial divide 3 factorial. For understanding, you can write times 2 factorial bahagi 2 factorial, can. But this nilai is 1. So no impact. Tak ada kesan. Okay, but for understanding, correct lah. Times 2 factorial divide 2 factorial. Okay, so final answer, you will get 6720 for part B. No problem with both. Both also can. You won't get cut mark. Okay. Always is better to write more lah in my opinion, guys. Kalau kamu tulis lebih banyak, dia lebih bagus lah sebenarnya for AdMaths. Okay. But of course do one method only lah. Jangan buat 2 kaedah dan bagi jawapan berlainan. Okay. Why we divide 3? Yes, because 3G identical, we divide 3. Remember guys, for identical, right, you must always divide n factorial. Okay, the number of identical object. You must divide with n factorial. Okay, this one is what you learn in chapter 4. Okay, don't forget this identical one. Okay, because you got a lot to consider, so sometimes you might forget bahagian ni. Okay, so for 8C a bit more special. They want you to arrange in a circle. Okay, I don't know what this, who is this person? Peminat Tembikar. I don't know why you want to arrange the pasu in a circle. I also don't know why. Anyone arrange your flower pot in a circle lah, guys? Just want to know. Siapa kat rumah susun pasu bunga dalam bulatan? Got ah? Anyone? Angkat tangan if got. If got means I really surprised lah. Kalau memang ada, saya pun terkejut. Yeah, I also don't know. Answer is 6720. Yeah, definitely none. Okay, all will arrange in straight line only, I know. Garis lurus. Okay, so now, circle guys. What is the formula for circle? Cult behavior. For circle formula guys, what is it? Yeah, remember, n minus 1 factorial. N is the number of pasu bunga you have. Okay, so now, they say not place. Okay, so the concept you can use is all minus place next to each other. Semua tolak yang bersebelahan, kamu dapat tak bersebelahan. So all. What is the n value if I arrange all pasu bunga, guys? Yes, bracelet divide 2, correct? Because bracelet is not considered a circle. Okay guys, you must remember, bracelet shape is a shape on its own. Bracelet bukan termasuk bawah bulatan. Dia totally different shape. Okay, that's why you must divide 2. Okay guys? Terbalikan masih sama. What you mean terbalikan? Terbalikan what? So guys, what is the n value I must use here? Can anyone tell please? Nilai n. How many total pasu bunga we have? If we terbalikkan bracket. Won't affect. Okay? It won't affect. Still the same. -1 factorial over 2. Careful guys. Not 9 Remember. Ingat balik. Wait, see over here. Your n value is basically referred to the original question. Okay, we're not talking about part B. Part B is a separate situation. Part C, dia tak hubungkai dengan part B. Okay, so actually the answer is 6. Okay, you can see over here. The question didn't mention anything about the new vase. Okay, tak bagi tahu apa-apa tentang pasu baru. So you must assume n is 6. Okay, so the all is 6 minus 1 factorial. Then you minus these two, plum vase and this one next to each other. So you must minus with what guys? Can you all tell me? If both of them next to each other, you will minus 4 factorial. 4 lain boleh rotate macam mana? You can rotate them times with 2 factorial. 2 factorial because kamu boleh tukar kedudukan antara dua yang ni. Okay guys? 4 is the other 4 vase. You got total 6 vase. So the other 4 vase you can move how you like. Boleh rotate macam mana kamu suka. So you count and see. You will get 72. 72 susunan. Okay guys, settle with this question. So are you clear? Soalan 12. How to do it? Total mark 3, 5 and 7 mark. Okay, total 7 mark this question. Quite a lot lah. Kalau kamu skip memang rugi. Okay. So any more question guys? 11 to 15 yang kamu ada? 11 sampai 15 yang nak dibincang? Kalau because tadi maybe I skip a few already. Yeah, correct. That one quite hard. So any questions guys? 11 to 15? Okay, I think Haida said 13B, right, just now. 13B. This one. Oh, find the range. Okay. 13B. Okay, Haida. For this one, percentage of Musang King grade B 26.53. Wah, so many 14, 15. Oh, yang ni susah punya. Okay, never mind. So 13B. Okay, Aida. First of all, you must convert these to probability lah. Kamu kena tukar. So the probability is 0.2653. Okay, so now they say, let me see. Okay, this one. 63% is grade A. So mean that 0.063 is under grade A. B and C macam mana nak asingkan? Wait. Let me see. For a while. Wait. Sorry. This is 0.63. Sorry. I count wrongly. 0.63 is grade A. So basically, Haida, B and C total will be 0.37. Am I right? Yeah, 0.63. Sorry. Okay. 1 minus grade A, you will get B and C, the grade, which is this value, 0.37. So now they tell you grade B is 0.2653. Okay, so then from this value, you can find out, let me see, find the range of mass. Wait, why they never direct use grade B, C? Wait guys, let me see for a while. 0.37 minus. Wait for a while guys, slowly. 0.63. I think this one, right? The question should actually ask grade C lah, if not mistaken. Okay, because based on the step they do, 0.37 minus 0.2653. 0.2653 is grade B. 0.37 is B plus C. So basically, I think the question got error, I think, if not mistaken. Kalau tak, they can direct use this value. Okay, because this is for grade B. Okay, so that's why if you want to find, we change the question lah guys. Find the range of mass for grade C. Okay, for soalan B, we finding for grade C, not grade B. Okay, I think there is error. So you just take 0.37 minus 0.2653, you get the probability for grade C, 47. Okay, so now you must change the probability to score Z. Okay, you must change it to score Z right now. So how to change to score Z? You can refer to the table, this value. Okay, so if you refer to your normal table, I have to scroll up a bit. Normal. Yeah, correct. I'm finding the table first. Wait. Slowly. Wait. Where is? Never include the table lah. Wait now, guys. Oh, okay, got 0.1047. Okay, if you see the table, 1047. Okay, we take this value lah. Okay, paling dekat. Okay, so if you read this value, it is 1.25. Am I right? But then you have to minus. Kita kena tolak. We want to get 0.1047. Kita nak dapat kebangkalian ini. So how much must we minus guys from this value? Berapa kena tolak? At the end number, kat digit terakhir. Berapa? Tolak apa? 0.1056 kepada 0.1047. You must minus 9. Am I right? You must minus 9. Okay, to get your answer. So if you minus 9, score Z kamu adalah 5. So that's why you have the 1.255. Okay, ini cara datang 1.255. Okay, how about the other value? 0.332. Okay, this value, basically, kalau kamu nampak lah, negative 0.332. 0.332. Okay, kamu kena ambil 1 minus 0.37. Okay, 1 minus 0.37. Selepas kamu tolak dengan 7 ni lah. Tolak 7, you will get 0.3700. Betul? So 1 minus 0.37, you get 0.63. Okay, 0.63. Okay, so 0.63, if you refer balik soalan kamu, 0.63 is what guys? Is the percentage untuk grade A kamu. Am I right? Percentage grade A 0.63. So they don't want to take above that. Kita nak dalam range 2 julat ni untuk dapat range of mass for grade C. Okay, because above 0.37 0.332 score Z2 dia adalah untuk grade A. Above that value is for grade A. Now the question we tukar to grade C. Am I right? So you have to take within the range. Okay. That's why I say don't use calculator. Schema based on the jadual. Refer to your jadual. That's why don't use calculator. Okay. Range dia maksud probability range. Okay, not the answer range. Answer satu saja, tak lari. Okay, there is only one answer accepted. Okay, so basically you must take the answer within those two range to get for grade C. Okay guys, so based on the answer 1.255 less than Z less than negative 0.332 yang kita dapat dari jadual tadi. Okay, but we never answer the question yet. They talking about the mass. This one is score Z. So guys, Z equal to X minus mean over standard deviation. Am I right? So sekarang kita kena dapat X ni. What is the mean? Mean, you can refer from the jadual. Okay, the mean is always the highest value at the peak, ketinggian yang tertinggi. So this is your mean. Okay, standard deviation. What's the OV value for 0.332? OV value is, wait, you mean the score Z, right? 0.332. Oh, sorry, kebarangkalian is 0.37. For score Z, 0.332. Okay. So now, where is it? Okay, this one. So can you see, guys? Mana score Z? Where's the standard deviation? Standard deviation tak bagi. Already got from here. Part A. Okay, standard deviation. Your answer for part A is 0.5422. Okay, 37% is B plus C, correct. Okay, because 63% A, so yang baki B plus C lah. Okay, and then this one is for B. Soalan dah bagi tahu. So you must minus to get C. Okay, so now this is the standard deviation yang kamu guna. Okay, jawapan kat part A answer. So you will use Z equal to X minus mean over standard deviation. Percentage B less than X less than percentage B plus C. Why you plus C? If you plus C means you consider the C grade also. Hanya kena compare B dengan B. Means the least B until the most B. Ya, betul. That's why I minus. Now I tukar the soalan already, Haida. The soalan one for grade C, not grade B. Soalan got error. Just now I say we are counting for grade C. That's why 0.37 minus dengan yang B punya 0.2653. Based on the schema lah. Okay. Kalau tak, you can directly use 0.2653 to count your grade B. Okay. If you minus means you counting for grade C. Okay. So now you can convert all the value lah. Okay, yang kamu dapat dua nilai ni. Score Z this one and score Z this one. You use the formula to get the X. Okay, mean 1.88, standard deviation 0.5422. You use this rumus. Then you can get the X. Okay, final answer, you will get this range. Okay, you can get the answer for this one. Okay guys, clear untuk soalan 13? Can get it? I think 14 lebih susah lah. Number 14. Okay, so we discuss number 14 now. Okay, so 14. Okay, so they say maximum volume of the water is 972 pi. Okay, means this one is 972 pi. Diameter 18. D and T 1/3 of diameter of the water. Wait, 1/3 of the diameter of the water in the jug and max. Okay, so now I understand. So basically, D equals to 1/3 of the diameter of the water and T equals to 1/3 of the maximum height. Okay, so this is what the question want you to tell lah. So now, first of all, they suruh cari nilai T. So how to get the T? First of all, you must count the volume for this. Okay, sorry, count the height. Okay, cari ketinggian yang ni. So V equal to pi R square H. Correct? So 972 pi equal to pi. Radius 9, jangan letak 18. 18 is the diameter H. So if you selesaikan, you will get H equal to 12. And then soalan bagi tahu 1/3 of the maximum height is your T value. Okay, kamu kena baca pernyataan lah. T 1/3 maximum, tinggi maximum air. So that's why T equal to 1/3 H, which equal to 1/3 12. Sebab H 12. Okay, so you will get 4. Okay, clear untuk soalan 14A? Think should be no problem lah for 14A. So now, untuk B, they suruh cari nilai K. an equation of the curve. Okay, gradient function, guys. Can you all tell me? Gradient function, what's the symbol again? We call gradient function keyword. What do we write? Yes, dy over dx, gradient function, kx. Okay, so they ask you find the equation of the curve. So, kamu kena kamil lah untuk cari persamaan lengkung. Kamilan tak tentu. So, you will get y equal to k over 2 x square plus c. Okay, jangan lupa tambah c because this is indefinite integral. Kamilan tak tentu. Okay, so now kamu kena ganti titik. You must substitute some point untuk cari nilai. So guys, based on this, let me see. What point can I substitute? Titik apa saya boleh gantikan kat sini, guys? Can anyone tell me? What is the point? Anyone know? You have to refer to this, guys. Ini adalah lengkung kamu sekarang. So what coordinate can I substitute? Y equal to k over 2x square plus c. So what is the point I can substitute? Bukan. Kena ada nilai spesifik. Kamu kena bagi nilai spesifik. Baru kamu boleh dapat nilai K. Soalan nak cari nilai K dan C. So you have to have two persamaan. Simultaneous. Persamaan serentak. Kamu kena selesaikan untuk dapat K dan C. So you have to have 2 point. 2 titik. Guys, remember tadi kita cara, I'm asking for the value. Just now we already found T equal to 4. Am I right? So guys, apa coordinate ni? Bukan. This coordinate is what? 0, negative, 4. Boleh faham guys? Sebab ini adalah nilai T. Tadi kita kira T sama dengan 4. We count T is 4 over here. Am I right? Can you see? T is 4. So kamu dah ada satu coordinate dah. 0, negative 4. Minimum point. Okay, so kamu perlu satu lagi. So one more macam mana? Kamu boleh ambil nilai ni. Okay, nilai ni coordinate y kosong because pintasan x. But what is the x value? Apa nilai x dia? Anyone know? What will be the x value? Bukan 9. Tak boleh assume 9. Anyone? Boleh cuba? Kamu kena lihat yang ni. Over here. Berdasarkan pernyataan yang ni. D 1 over 3 diameter. D adalah 1/3 diameter. Diameter 18. Jadi D adalah 1/3 18 iaitu 6. D is 6. So guys, 6 is for the whole thing. So guys, this one will be 3. 6 bahagi 2 untuk 3 negatif 3. Haida, soalan dah bagi kat kamu. 1 over 3. Kamu tanya saya mengapa 1 over 3, saya tak tahu. Okay. So, now you can gantikan lah persamaan serentak these two coordinate. So you will get 0 equal to K 3 square over 2 plus C, and also negative 4 equal to K 0 square over 2 plus C. So now you can solve simultaneous lah. Yang ni dah hapus dah, tak ada. Okay, nilai dia kosong. Okay, so now basically you will get C equal to 4. C is 4. So you ganti 4 over here. Okay, boleh cari nilai K sekarang. So you will get, let me see. Sana saya kira. You will get 9K over 2 equal to K you will get negative 8 over 9. Kalau tak silap. Okay, you can count and see. K is negative 8 over 9. So your final equation, persamaan akhir, you will get based on this, y equal to 4 over 9 x square minus 4. Okay, mereka darab seluruh persamaan dengan negatif. They don't want negative value in front. Okay, that's why dari positif 4 dia tukar negatif 4 ke belakang. Okay, they just times the whole equation by negative. Because if you refer this equation guys, nilai A untuk lengkung macam ni, A kena lebih besar atau lebih kurang dari kosong? Mana satu? Which one must it be? Greater or less than? Yeah, greater. That's why kita kena tolak nilai K yang negatif. Okay, dari calculation we get K negatif. Tapi untuk tulis jawapan, kita darab seluruh dengan negatif untuk hapuskan negatif. Magnitude masih sama. The value never change. Only negative sign kita tak mau to suit back the question. Okay guys? So this is for part B. Okay, kamu dah jawab. So then, for part C, you must use integration again, Kameran. But this one is for isi padu. Okay, volume. So now, you refer back to your curve. Kat sini, you must do Kameran lah over here. So guys, kamu kame macam mana? This one is -4, this one is 0. They want maximum volume. Okay, isi padu maximum. So let me see. Okay. So now, let me write down here. So, pi kami dari kosong sampai -4 x square dy. Now we integrate towards y axis because lebih senang lah bagi kita. Okay, so basically pi integrate kosong -4. You have to change your equation lah. X dalam sebutan y. You must express x in terms of y. Then only you can substitute over here. Okay, so you will get 9/4 y tambah 4 dy. Okay, you do the algebra lah bahagian tu. You should get this one. Okay, so then Kameran should be no problem. You direct integrate this one. Guys, you need the integration steps everyone here. Perlu tak saya tunjuk Kameran ni? Tak perlu kan? Okay, no need. So I direct tell the answer. You should get 18 pi untuk Kameran yang ni. Okay, you direct integrate, you will get 18 pi. So now, if you read back the question, they ask you how many glasses. Okay, so you must find out 3 jug. 3 jug, what is the volume? Okay, apa volume untuk 3 jug? So let me see. You will get sana guys. Saya lihat 972. Okay, I get it. So the over on the top here, mereka bagi tahu 1 jug 1 jug 972. The question say you have, kamu sekarang ada 3 jug. Okay, 3 jug. So you must find the volume lah. 3 jug, you times, you will get 2916 pi. Okay, so finally, mereka nak berapa gelas. Okay, berapa gelas dari jug tu. How many glasses of water you take from the jug to fill. Okay, so total volume 2916. 1 glass 18 pi. So how many you want to find? You take 2916 pi bahagi 18 pi untuk tahu bilangan gelas yang diperlukan. To know how many glass you need from that 1 jug volume to get how many glass. Okay, so if you count and see, you will get 162. Okay, 162. Okay guys, can understand? Boleh faham soalan ni? Macam mana buat? Can Can I proceed? Okay, so next one for soalan 15. Okay, they give you the equation. Yeah, actually easy only. You just think it's hard only. Okay, so they say X is the meter. Because kekangan masa. Guys, I want you all to understand one thing. Over here, right, kita bincang kan. We are discussing now. Are we doing it in a rush situation? Adakah kita sekarang rush? Takkan. Dalam exam, kamu kena faham, kamu ada limit masa. Okay, you have limit time. Not you take your own sweet time, kamu buat. If exam at maths tak ada time limit, semua boleh habis tas. Am I right guys? Everyone can finish the paper if there is no time limit. Because kamu boleh ambil masa buat satu soalan, pasti semua boleh jawab semua soalan. Am I right? But you have 2 hours. Okay, so that's why it make you rush. Dan soalan tak susah, nampak susah. This is the problem. Okay. 3 hours too long lah. Okay, 3 hours memang takkan bagi. Guys, which subject got 3 hours? I think Seni got 3 hours lah. But NMATS is not Seni. Am I right? Okay, NMATS bukan Seni. Okay, NMATS is NMATS. So yeah. So now, they ask you calculate the value of H. So now, how to get the H value? Anyone? How should I get this H? First of all, you must know where is the H lah. Okay, H is, let me see, H. Mana nilai H ni? Where is the H? Oh, height lah. Mereka tak label. Okay, they want to know the height. This one. Okay, this distance over here. What is the distance? Okay. Okay, so now, first of all, kamu kena buat kaedah penyempurnaan kuasa 2. You must do completing the square method. Okay, fx equal to 2/3. Make sure coefficient of x square is 1 first. Kamu kena pastikan perkali dia 1. Then you do completing the square. Okay, you all should know this lah guys. Completing the square dah basic. Okay, this one all basic. So then plus 3/2. Okay, so now, after you get this, lepas ni kamu boleh faktorkan. Okay, x tolak 1. So you will get x minus 1 square. Lepas tu, tambah 1/3. Okay, kamu kira semua nilai ni guna calculator, darab 2/3. You will get 1/3. Okay, so guys, 1/3 represent what? Nilai y. Am I right? 1/3 is your y value, ketinggian, coordinate y. So in other words, they telling you that this ketinggian is 1/3 lah. Am I right guys? So that's why your answer is 1/3. Can you guys get it? Nilai H kamu adalah ketinggian. Ketinggian apa benda tu, buaian dari permukaan air. The height of the swing from the surface of the water. In other words, your minimum point lah. Okay, dari paksi X ke titik minimum. This is what they want to find here. Okay, that's why answer is 1/3 meter. Okay guys, are you clear? Untuk soalan A, can do or not? Come on, semangat. Where's the semangat? Can Okay, good. Show that by using discriminant, the hammock will be under water surface. Very simple lah. B square minus 4AC. Kamu kira nilai ni. Settle. Okay, what is B? Dari persamaan kuadratik kamu. You will get the answer. Okay, so first of all, before that, kamu kena tukar persamaan dulu. Because it dropped by 0.5 meter. Okay, so originally, equation ni, you must minus with 1/2 because dia drop, menurun. Okay, so nilai C akan terkesan. The C value will minus 1/2. So this is your new equation now. Persamaan baru yang kamu rujuk, yang ni. Okay, minus 4/3x plus 1/2. Okay, so now you count B square minus 4AC. Guna persamaan ni, you will get 4/9. Okay, 4/9. So 4/9 is greater than 0. Am I right? 4/9 lebih besar dari kosong kan? So, there will be two roots. Dia akan ada dua puncak. So definitely, dia akan ada permukaan buaian tu dalam air. Because you got two roots. Can you guys understand? If B square minus 4AC equal to 0, there is no buaian under the water. Because minimum point sentuh paksi X. Okay, so this is how you can show lah dia akan berada di bawah air. Okay guys, so for part 2, they ask you the tourist body below the surface of the water. So this one, basically, you must solve the equation lah yang ni. Kamu kena selesaikan persamaan yang ini. Okay, you must get the equation. So over here, let me see. Saya tulis kat sini lah guys, not enough space. So your original equation is like this. Okay, so you say less than 0 lah. Kamu bagi dia lebih kurang dari kosong. Kenapa? Because they say below the surface of the water. Okay, that's why lebih kurang dari kosong. So, from here, kamu kena tukar ke bentuk arm kuadratik. Okay, you change to general form, you will get this equation. Okay, lepas tu faktorkan, you will get 2x minus 3, 2x minus 1 equal to 0. Kamu katakan dia sama dengan kosong dulu. You just assume it's equal to 0 to make it easier to get x value. Okay, so then you draw the curve. 1 over 2, 3 over 2, lebih kurang dari kosong. Where do you shade, guys? Can you all remind me? 1, 2 or 3? Kat mana saya lorek? Untuk lebih kurang dari kosong. Which one? Yes, 3. That's why your answer is 1 over 2 lebih kurang dari x, lebih kurang dari 3/2. Okay, this is the final answer. Okay guys, do you understand for paper 1? Boleh faham semua soalan? Can Okay, so paper 2, quick. 1 to 5. Soalan mana kamu nak? 3. Okay, the whole question Any more 1 to 5? I don't think so lah. Okay, 3 look quite hard. Okay. So number 3, number 3, number 3. Oh, this one lah, Steven asked. Previous? What do you mean previous? 3 previous? You mean paper 1 Oh, you don't want this question? Oh, okay, never mind. Steven 1, okay. So, wait, let me see. Okay, Kuala Lumpur, 11 a.m. Kuala Lumpur. Okay, so this is KL. This one is London. Okay, left KL, right London. Never mind, can do one. Okay, so first of all, KL radius 13, London radius 8. Okay, this is the information. So now we read the question. Difference in circumference. Major arc. Okay, so what's the formula, guys, for length of arc? Apa rumus dia? Sorry, circumference. Sorry. Circumference formula. Anyone? Circumference. Rumus dia apa? Lilitan. Better use 2 pi r lah, because soalan bagi jejari. Okay, soalan give radius, you use 2 pi r lah, not pi d. Okay, so 2 pi r. So basically they want the difference, right? Dia nak perbezaan. So you take this one, this circumference minus with this circumference. Okay, you can see the values 15, 8. So 2 pi 15 minus with let me see, 2 pi 15 minus, okay, radius 8. Okay guys, I want to ask you all, this one is it still 2 pi for this one, London? Adakah dia masih 2 pi? Why? Why not 2 pi? Anyone know why? Yes, 10 or 12, 10 to 12 only counted, correct? Okay, so basically you must see the angle lah inside here. Okay, they were asking for major arc. Okay, major arc. So you see this one. Okay, so basically major arc should be this one lah, this big one. Okay, so instead of 2 pi, you need to take 5 over 3 pi. Okay, basically total 2 pi, you minus with 1 over 3 pi. 1 over 3 pi is 60 degree, 60 darjah. Okay, 60 degree. So you will get 5 over 3 pi. Okay guys, if you count and see lah, the sector here, right, totally you got 7, 8, 9, 10, 12. So each is 30 degree. Okay, jadi kita tak kira 2 of the sector. We don't count 2 of the sector over here. Okay, which is the 60 degree. So let me try to delete first. 60 degree. Wait Okay. So you can see over here, one of it, wow, so thick. Cannot change the thickness. Let me see. Cannot. Wait, guys. Each one is 30 degree. So, kenapa keluar pula? Okay. So basically, you must just take 5 over 3 pi. Kena ambil 5/3 pi saja. Because total, you will get 2 pi. Am I right? One whole circle, 2 pi. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, 360 divide 12, 30. So you minus 60 because you cannot count two of the sector. Okay, 30. Wow, so thick, cannot. Never mind lah. I write out. Okay, this one 30. This one 30. 30. Okay, this one is, wait. 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, correct. 30, 30. Okay, 30, 30, you get 60. Okay, 10 sampai 12 kamu dapat 60 degree. So that's why we need to minus the 60 degree. Okay, 60 degree, 360 minus 60, you left with 300. 300 is 5 over 3 pi. Okay, 5 over 3 pi. So final answer for circumference, okay, yeah, you will get 2 pi 15. This is for Kuala Lumpur, masa, minus 8, 5 over 3 pi. So you will get equal to 50 over 3 pi. Okay, guys, clear for question A? How to do? Okay, I think this one is the harder one lah, bahagian B. Am I right? Bahagian B look a bit complex. Okay, so now this is so for London time. So they say designer wants to decorate the shaded region using round shaped diamond with radius 0. Okay, so you must find the area lah for the diamond. For the diamond first of all. So pi r square equal to pi 0.76 square. Okay, this is the area for the diamond, luas. So you will get 0.5776 pi for diamond. So they want to find the number. So you must find the area of the shaded region lah. Kamu kena cari luas kawasan berlorek. So how to get the luas kawasan berlorek? Basically, you must find a few lengths lah. Kamu kena cari beberapa panjang dulu. Okay, so first of all, let me see. OQ. Wait guys. OQ 8 minus 0.76. Okay, so first of all, this one, you must try to form a triangle over here. Okay, they ask for which one? Let me see. Okay, so they say that for London, right, the radius is 8 mm. Am I right? For London clock. And then the diamond is 0.76, the radius. Okay, so you must first find the difference. 8 minus 0.76. Perbezaan dia 7.24. Okay, so OQ, the length is 0.724. Basically, you can assume the point O is over here. This one is the point Q. Okay, and then you try to form a triangle over here. You can connect these two, and then you connect like this. You connect like this. Okay, I think it's longer if not mistaken. Yeah, something like this. Okay, guys, can get it until now? Can Okay, the radius is 0.76. Okay, because they say they want to put so that you can find the angle. If you don't have triangle, you cannot get the angle one. Tak boleh cari sudut. Okay, you need a triangle to get the angle. Okay, so now Let me see. Wait for a while, guys. Let me try to understand this. 8 minus, okay. 8 minus 0.76. And then sine alpha over 2. Okay. So what they're talking is, inside the circle, this length, this blue length over here. Wait, slowly. This length over here is the one you minus just now. This one, 7.24. Okay, the total radius still maintain 8, which is the red one. Okay, so the small one is the diamond lah. Okay, so now you must get the angle. So how to get the angle? Basically, you must form right angle triangle. Okay, so that you can use so, ka, tua. Okay, because you have all the lengths already. The 0.76, 7.24 and 8. Okay, so you must get the right angle triangle first. Okay, so now let me see. I think it's like how I draw lah, correct? Okay, you connect these two and then you will form a triangle, something like this. Okay, wait, wait, this one is not right angle, sorry. It should be like this. Okay, now it's correct. Okay, it should be a right angle triangle, guys. Segitiga sudut tegak. These two is right angle. Okay, so guys, this length over here, it should be 8. Okay, it will be 8. So now, wait, 0.76. Let me see the question carefully. Oh, okay. I think what they mentioning, right, guys, apa yang mereka maksudkan, right, they trying to draw out the diamond for you. They not looking at the clock now. Mereka tak tengok jam. They want to see in the diamond itself. Okay, with the radius 0.76 and then try to form a triangle from there. Now I get it. Okay, these two is 90 degree. Okay, this panjang is 0.76. They want to focus on the diamond first untuk cari beberapa sudut. Okay, these two is 0.76 because radius of diamond is 0.76. Okay, and then you're going to use, let's say lah, this whole angle is alpha. Am I right? Satu sudut alpha. So the small one over here, what will be the black angle, guys? Can anyone tell? If the whole thing alpha means the black one, how much? Anyone? Hey, sorry. I put the angle wrongly. The alpha is supposed to be at the bottom. Sorry. This is the alpha. So how much is this one? Yeah, alpha over 2, correct. Okay, so what is this length, guys? You must know this one. This length over here. How long is it? How much? Is it 8? Anyone? The hypotenuse of the triangle. Is it 8 cm? Anyone? Basically, you got two choice, 8 or 7.24. Which one is correct? Because 7.24 is the length without including the diamond. Kita tak mau masukkan diamond. Okay, 8 cm is for the whole circle radius. But now we want to count without including the diamond. So it's minus 0.76. Kamu dapat yang ni, 7.24. Okay, because now we just focus without the diamond first. Okay, so the length we take is actually 7.24. Okay, that is why if you count and see, you will get alpha equal to 12.05. 12.05 darjah. Okay, so first of all, after you get this, you must know that each of the angle of the clock is 30 lah. One angle of sector clock is 360 bahagi 12. Am I right? Because you got 12 sector. So each angle is 30 degree. Okay. And then the major sector, sudut major. Okay, you want to find the major sector angle. Actually, just now you found Adila for London. Am I right? Over here, 300 degrees. Okay, tadi kamu dah cari for soalan A, major sector. Okay, so then you can actually take 300 degree, direct compare with the angle for this one. Okay, because all the, what you mean, all the sector total up to 300 degree, major sector. Am I right, guys? Jumlah sector dia total up 300 degree untuk major. One sector 12.05 based on this one over here. Okay, yang kecil ni. So you want to find how many diamond, bilangan diamond. One sector will have one diamond. This is our assumption. Satu sector, satu diamond. So bilangan sector akan sama dengan bilangan berlian. The number of sector is our number of diamond. That's why we can directly take 300 divide by the angle for one sector is equal to our number of diamond, 24. Do you guys see the logic? Can you guys get it? Because there are major sector, total angle 300, just now we count. One sector will have one diamond. Itu anggapan kita. So that will be easier lah, the calculation. Every single sector it form on the small part there, got one diamond. So the number of sector will equal to your number of diamond. So you can direct compare the angle. Total angle divide total angle for satu sector equal to bilangan sector which equal to bilangan berlian. Can you guys see it? Boleh faham? Can Steven? Okay or not now? Can get it? Can you see it? Okay. Good. So any more question, guys? Paper 2? Maybe one more we sempat. Any more? 1 to 5 that you have? I think quite easy lah, the rest, if not mistaken. This one all okay. This one also can. Linear law, okay. Number 10. Okay, this one got a bit of derive lah. 4a. How to simplify equation. 4a. 4a, 4a, 4a. Oh, this one, you have to differentiate lah. Kamu kena bezakan for 4a. Okay, differentiate using product rule. Okay, petua darab. Okay, I think a lot of you don't know what is tangent sketching method, right? Am I right? You must know this method. Kamu kena tahu kaedah ini. Okay, because you cannot use any other method. D2y or dx2, right? You cannot use this method because question say must use tangent method, tangent sketching. Okay, so you must know what's the method lah. What is tangent sketching? Okay, you have to know. So you have to do differentiation lah for this one. Okay, you just differentiate this function. You mean to simplify, right? So u is negative x and then v equal to 1 over 2x minus 3 and then cube. Okay, so you can get du dx sama dengan negatif 1, dv dx sama dengan 3 half x minus 3 square half. Okay, and then you can count the value lah. You can get the value for this. Aida, okay until now. Can get it? It's a normal solving only. Okay, so then you do dy dx lah. Okay, equal to negative x and then 3 over 2, 1 over 2x minus 3 square plus v. Okay, plus v half x minus 3 cube 1. Okay, so then you count this lah, you can get the answer. Okay, you will get, let me see, negative 3 over 2x, 1 over 2x minus 3 square plus 1 over 2x minus 3 cube. Okay, Aida, can you get this one? This is the differentiation lah, dy dx. Can get it? This is your answer. Okay, then you must determine the nature lah for the point. Okay, kamu kena tahu tangent sketching method. Okay guys, everyone here, can you understand? Can you no need to simplify further. If you want lah, you can factorize out. If you want, okay, you factorize out and then plus 1 over 2x minus 3. Okay, this one is negative x. Okay, then you can simplify already lah, direct. Okay guys, can get it? Boleh faham Haida? So tangent sketching method, basically lah, what you need to do is, you direct draw a table. Okay, you got your equation, you just put random value for x, 5, 6, 7, and you test and see, nilai dy dx kamu macam mana, based on the equation just now that I got. So if you see, right, if x is 5, dy dx I get negative, which means that my gradient is negative. Okay, if I test and see with x is 6, kat persamaan tadi, I will get dy dx is kosong, means my gradient is like this. If I test x is 7, I will get negative. You must have at least 3 points to get the shape. 3 titik kena ada. So gradient negative. So guys, if you try to draw out the curve now, like this, like this, like this. Okay, based on the shape. So guys, what type of titik is this? What type of point? Anyone? Is it maximum, minimum, or stationary? Anyone? Stationary, minimum, or maximum? Yeah, the answer is stationary, titik pegun. Or you can say titik lengkok balas. Okay, how to get this value? Where is it? Correct only what, Aida? There? This is the equation we got. This is the thing we got over here. Exactly like this. 1 over 2 is 0.5. Okay? Then you just direct substitute the value. 3. 3 is this one. Where is it? This one. If you want to factorize out also can. You got negative x minus 3. Okay? So can get it? My answer same with the scheme already. Then you just direct, choose any point to determine the stationary point dia nampak macam mana. Okay, 5, 6, 7. You can take any value you like lah. Mana-mana pun boleh. As long you can see the shape. Macam mana dia berubah. Okay guys, any more question you have? Paper 2 that you need discussion on? Okay, the rest all easy for you guys. Okay, so any more? The rest other than Haida? Are you all clear with the discussion today? Boleh buat? I will send the answer scheme for paper 2 lah, in case you all got other question. But I think all these question sangat mudah selepas ni. After section A, very simple one. All of this, basic. Okay guys, so hopefully the session helped you all today lah, 2 hours. Okay, does it help you all? Adakah membantu for your second last day?